2025 Citroën 2CV Overview. The 2025 Citroën 2CV marks one of the most surprising, yet warmly welcomed returns in the automotive world. Originally conceived as a minimalist, rural-friendly people's car back in the late 1940s, the 2CV went on to become a symbol of French ingenuity, quirkiness, and charm. With its unique umbrella-like shape, hammock-style seats, and legendary simplicity, the original 2CV was never about performance or prestige. It was about affordable mobility, durability, and accessibility. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën is reviving the iconic nameplate, blending retro nostalgia with modern-day technology, sustainability, and comfort. In doing so, the French automaker hopes to appeal to a new generation of drivers, while also capturing the hearts of longtime Citroën fans. The all-new 2CV is more than just a design homage. It's a statement that affordable, eco-conscious transportation can still be fun and full of personality. The exterior of the 2025 Citroën 2CV pays direct tribute to its classic ancestor, but brings the look firmly into the 21st century. While the silhouette remains unmistakably 2CV, with its rounded roofline, prominent wheel arches, and gently sloping hood, there's a refinement to the design that feels distinctly modern. Citroën has opted for a blend of aluminum and recycled composite panels, both to keep the weight down and to maintain the brand's eco-friendly ethos. The car sits higher than most small hatchbacks, retaining that slightly elevated stance that once helped rural farmers cross muddy fields. However, the new model trades in the corrugated steel of the original for a much sleeker, more sculpted bodywork. LED lighting elements are integrated tastefully into the minimalist front and rear ends, while the front fascia features a subtle reinterpretation of the chevron grille, slimmer, cleaner, and framed by sharp DRLs that add a futuristic touch. Color options for the 2025 2CV are cheerful and varied, with retro-inspired names like Pastel Bleu, Citroën Jaune, and Rouge Bourguignon among the most popular choices. Customization is a key part of the ownership experience, as Citroën encourages personalization through contrast roof colors, optional removable panels, and vintage-style decals. A soft top roof, electrically retractable in this version, pays homage to the original's canvas roof, allowing for a semi-open-air experience. Small yet thoughtful details like clamshell doors and exposed wheel bolts tie the whole look together, balancing the line between classic and contemporary in a way few revivals manage to achieve. Performance-wise, the 2025 2CV takes a drastically different approach from the Spartan, slow-moving original. Citroën offers the model with two powertrains, a fully electric version and a mild hybrid gasoline variant. The electric model, dubbed the 2CVE, features a front-mounted motor delivering 95 horsepower and 180 Nm of torque. That might not sound like much, but thanks to its lightweight construction, the car feels zippy and agile in city driving conditions. A 40 kWh battery pack offers up to 280 kilometers, about 175 miles of range, which is more than enough for urban and suburban commuters. Fast charging support allows the battery to go from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes, making it practical for day-to-day use. The mild hybrid variant, equipped with a 1.2-liter three-cylinder turbocharged engine and a 48-volt electric assist system, is designed for drivers who prefer traditional fuel but still want to reduce their carbon footprint. Producing around 110 horsepower, it offers slightly better top-end performance than the electric model, while maintaining impressive fuel economy figures in the range of 60 mpg, UK, or about 4.7 L100 kcal. Both versions feature a front-wheel drive layout and are paired with a smooth shifting CVT in the hybrid and a single-speed transmission in the EV. Handling is nimble thanks to a short wheelbase and tight turning circle, while ride comfort remains a standout thanks to Citroën's use of progressive hydraulic cushions in the suspension, a modern twist on the brand's legendary comfort-first approach. The interior of the 2025 Citroën 2CV stays true to the spirit of the original without feeling outdated or overly minimal. In a world of screens and sensory overload, The 2CV takes a more analog and charmingly simplistic route. That's not to say it's lacking in technology. There's a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen display, but they're subtly integrated into a cabin that emphasizes tactile quality, openness, and whimsy. Upholstery is available in a variety of colorful fabric options, including recycled wool and organic cotton blends, echoing the hammock-style seats of the past with a modern ergonomic twist. Seating remains airy and upright, providing excellent visibility all around, while interior space feels surprisingly generous thanks to clever packaging and a flat floor. Storage is practical for a car of this size, with modular door pockets, a deep center console, and even under-seat storage in the rear. Citroën has cleverly used recycled materials throughout the cabin, from cork-inspired dash inlays to bottle cap-derived door inserts, adding character and sustainability in equal measure. The retractable roof mechanism takes minimal space when folded, and the car's overall layout makes it ideal for urban dwellers or weekend adventurers alike. Climate control, smartphone integration, and a quirky retro-inspired sound system all come standard, ensuring that drivers don't have to compromise on modern conveniences, even in a nostalgic package. Pricing for the 2025 Citroën 2CV has been one of its most talked about aspects, especially given the current market trends. Citroën made it clear from the beginning that the new 2CV was meant to be accessible, just like the original. Starting at around $19,000 for the base hybrid version and $23,000 for the entry-level electric model, it comfortably undercuts many of its electric competitors. Fully loaded trims can reach up to $27,000, which still positions it as an affordable urban vehicle rather than a luxury statement. Citroën's flexible subscription model, already in use with several of their other models, is also available, allowing drivers to essentially lease the car month to month with maintenance and insurance bundled in. This is especially appealing to younger buyers or city residents who prefer low-commitment vehicle use. Overall, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a masterclass in how to revive an icon without losing its soul. Rather than trying to transform the 2CV into something it never was, Citroën chose to embrace what made it special in the first place: charm, simplicity, accessibility, and reimagine it for a new era. The result is a car that doesn't try to compete with performance-driven EVs or tech-laden luxury hatchbacks. Instead, it carves out its own niche, offering an emotional connection, unique design, and a more sustainable way of thinking about personal transportation. Its retro looks will attract attention, but it's the combination of clever packaging, efficient performance, and affordability that will likely make it a success. The new 2CV may not be for everyone, but for those seeking a car with character, conscience, and charisma, it could be one of the most lovable vehicles on the road in 2025. If you need this formatted as a blog post or want a shorter version for a video script, I can help tailor it further.